Any successful brand strategy requires intentional and conscientious thought about the who, the what, the where, the when, and especially the why behind your brand. Here's why brand strategy matters, and I'll even dive into a little bit of a framework to help you build your own. Hey guys, welcome to Creative, where we help athletes, sports marketers, and athletic business owners learn how to build those lasting legacies beyond the game. Every Tuesdays and Thursdays, we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. Today, we'll be discussing why brand strategy really matters and a framework for building your own. We'd love for you to tackle that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. So, the essential framework for brand strategy. Building a successful brand is all about finding the right opportunities to get in front of the right audience. These decisions and actions become a no-brainer with a stellar brand strategy framework, a roadmap that helps you connect all the moving parts of your marketing strategy with your brand goals. A brand strategy isn't really a marketing strategy per se, but the brand strategy allows you to make educated decisions about your products and services, your furthered ahead marketing strategy, and placement amongst your other competitors. Without a brand strategy, your goals won't align with your vision, and the disconnect will cost time, resources, and employee satisfaction. In other words, you won't be able to grow your business effectively. So let's talk about some of the framework and how to hone in on that brand identity. Many individuals believe that branding is just the name, logo, and visual assets. Those elements are tangible assets, not the entire brand. A brand also consists of personality, vision, and the intangible elements. Most importantly, a brand consists of a specific strategy and how your brand is positioned and communicated with consumers. It's essential to hone in on your brand's identity. This is the look and feel of your brand, the first thing consumers see, and should represent how individuals are meant to feel about your brand. So to start, you want to consider some of your font choices, icons, and color choices. Start with a handful of sketches and gauge your team on which ones they prefer. If you partner with an agency, they are an excellent tool to collaborate to do these sketches. You also want to start developing your vision and the positioning statement for your niche. Developing a vision and a positioning statement is a part of the brand strategy that many companies overlook. Consider your position in the market. What are your competitors doing? What is your differentiator? Where are you going to be in 5 years? At Creative, one of our primary goals is to help 1,000 athletes with their brands. Seems simple, right? We're taking that mission and making it a part of our vision and our positioning. Each component of our strategy comes back to that, helping athletes. This is also evident in each piece of marketing collateral and tailored content we make as we seek to make a difference with our customers. This is our brand identity. You must ask yourself, what's yours? Once you move past the brand identity phase, that's when you can start looking at the PR and marketing opportunities. The last component I'd like to touch on pertaining to brand strategy is PR and the marketing opportunities that you'll need to invest in moving forward past that. There are a plethora of ways you can market your brand. For example, if your business is a sports complex, one of the essential undertakings would be local SEO in targeting your fan base within your service area. If your business is an athletic e-com store, it would be best to focus on organic business and develop an online marketing strategy around product knowledge and services that you provide with your products. The key really is just to find the needs of your target audience and meet them. Consider the platforms on which your customers spend their time and Meet them with value-based content and engaging brand personality. PR is another excellent way for you to leverage your story. Public relations includes being a guest on a podcast, being a speaker at a conference, and or even publishing content in a local newspaper. Think about the PR and marketing opportunities available to you and take advantage of what you feel works best for your brand. We hope you guys loved today's video, and if you want to learn more about the great solutions that can truly change the game, again, don't forget to tackle that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps out the channel. Now, this is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport.